Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. Today I'm going to show you how we created the fine rocks earrings and a pendant. So in this tutorial it should tell you everything you need to know about how we created this earring kit. They come in so many colors. These are all special production, so the colors are unique. As you can see, they're just gorgeous. So let's get started. You're going to take your 2-inch head pin, silver ball, that's included in your kit, then a bead cap, your fine rock tube, another bead cap, we have it loaded now. Take your round nose, back towards you, away from you, under, and create your wrap. Simple as that. Nip it off. When we open our lever backs, you're going to see a little seam here. Never open them this way. You always want to open them with just a little bit of pressure to the side. Hook it on, close it. There's our earring. You're going to repeat, because of course you want to set. You also can add chain to it if you'd like to give it a unique look. We've used the curved tubes. We're going to have a lot of fun with these for the holiday season. And really for any time, they make great gifts for people. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how we did the pendant. And basically the pendant is the same thing. There's just one step that we use whenever creating a pendant. So again, it's the round. It's going to be the bead cap, and for the pendant on this one, I'll do the matching pendant. And this is going to be with the 30mm, so that I'll have a set of earrings and a pendant. I think the hardest part about the kits when we make them always is getting that 2mm bead. So the only difference between the earring and the pendant is we take it back towards us, around, we adjust our tool straight up, we go under, and we stop. We take our closed ring, we hook it in, leaving enough room. Now we finish our wrap. We cut off the excess wire. And now we have our pendant. So we're going to have a matching set of earrings and pendant. And that's how we made them at 2cutebeads.com. Thanks for joining us.